Before starting this project, please ensure that you have an adult's permission and supervision.
Welcome to Arlington County's Departments of Parks and Recreation's virtual programming. Today, we have another Office for Teens virtual program, Cooking with Charlie, with your host, Charlie. Today, we're going to be making some orange bread. Here are the ingredients that you'll need.
1/2 cup all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/4 cup orange juice, 1/4 cup milk, 2 eggs, zest of 1 orange, zest of 1 lemon, 2/3 cup of sugar, 3/4 or 7 tablespoons unsalted butter. Take the flour, baking powder, and salt and put them in a bowl. Whisk them together, then set the bowl to the side. In another bowl, add the milk, orange juice, and the zest of the lemon and orange. To zest the lemon and orange, I'm using a microplane. However, if you don't have one, you can also use a cheese grater, a vegetable peeler, or even a knife. Just make sure that you don't get any of the white pith in the zest. You just want the skin. Make sure you grate the entire lemon and orange. This is how the lemon should look once you have completed zesting. Now we will do the same thing to the orange. Once the orange is fully zested, give the bowl a stir and then set it to the side. Take the butter and sugar and place them in a bowl and mix well together. If you have a standing mixer or a hand mixer, you can use one of those to mix these two items. Here, since I didn't have one, I will be mixing everything by hand. Take your eggs and crack them in a separate bowl. Once they are cracked, add them into the sugar and butter mix slowly and stir until they are incorporated. Once the sugar, butter, and egg is fully incorporated, we will be adding our flour mixture in 3 parts. First, we will take 1/3 of the flour mixture and work it in. Then we will take half of our liquid mixture and work it in. Then another third of our flour, the remaining amount of our liquid, and then our remaining amount of our flour mixture, stirring constantly to ensure everything is well mixed. Once our batter is fully mixed, we'll take our baking pan. Here I'm using a 6-cup baking tin, but any type of baking tray will do. And either using cooking spray or butter, we will grease the pan. Once the pan is greased, we will slowly pour our batter into the pan. Then it will be ready for the oven. Make sure you leave some room at the top of your tin because this bread will expand and you don't want it overflowing your tin. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and place your tin in the middle rack. It will be in here for about 45 to 50 minutes. Bake your bread until golden brown and either a toothpick or a knife inserted comes out cleanly as shown.
Alright, the bread has cooled in its tin for about 10 minutes now. We're going to take it out, see how it tastes. That's what you like to see. Doesn't stick at all. Look at that right there. Nothing in there. Smells great. Let's get a bit of a slice. Now you're going to want to keep it cooling for about another 10 minutes. Once it's out of there, we'll give it a taste. Nice and orangey. Can't wait to see you guys next time.